about to go in Mawkin Meadow with the crows in it.
Don't go! The witch was turning everyone into hay. You will be next! Don't go! Just been in the Crows of Mawkin Meadow. This is a really good scare zone. Very creepy. For crows, yeah, like they are creepy, but also very friendly. They don't touch you. So if you're a person that doesn't like being touched, don't worry. This isn't a touching scare maze where they actually grab you and things. So I won't give my full review yet because I haven't done it at night yet. At night it's supposed to be better, and also I can't wait to do it.
It's just a trick of the mind. You'll be fine. I am the old village. Damn the woman's soul. She was a witch with powers of no control. What's actually
That is really good at night. Thorpe Park, you've done an amazing job. You're listening to this right now. You can sell us a little pat on the back, management team. So, this is a 9 out of 10 in the night. For the daytime, I'll give it an 8. But this is amazing. The crows have incredible outfits and are really good at their acting. They really make you jump, especially for ones that are just sitting down on hay bales and you don't even know they're there. Just thinking they're fake ones, just lying dead until they spring out at you. That's a really nice feature. But the incredible theming around is amazing as well. The atmosphere and the smoke is really good as well. And also, there's just this really tall man at the end who literally just like you know, wherever you go, someone follows you like that, and they're going face to face with you. You can't get past it. You're like, what are you supposed to do now? Just snap past him and scared everyone else. Also, I saw a crow just run out on a man, just chasing him. That's here. But this Thorpe Park is what we would like to see more of. This is really good. This is the only scare zone ride done here, but it is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So Thorpe Park, you've done a really good job.